Hi, welcome to Fun, 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 presented by Little Pine Education. The best phonics stories ever, Level B, number 8. Look at this image. Where do you think the story takes place, and when? That's the setting. First, let's preview the short U words. Fun, run, gum, tug, luck, duck, pup, tub, tuck. Challenge words: park, some, done, and time. We are at the park. Let's have some fun. Let's run and run. Let's have some gum. Ooh, we got a blue one. Let's tug and tug. Let's get some luck. How did they get luck? What are those? Let's look at the big duck. Let's pet the little pup. Our fun is done. Time for bed. Dad will tuck us in. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed this story, and we'll see you again next time.